Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some.
Hey there guys, here for our first video, and today we're doing some
bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I cut it a lot, but peace. That's so dope. That's so dope. And he's coming back. Sorry guys for the bad recording. I had something in my hand. So dope. Sorry guys for listening in here, I didn't mean to. Bye guys, see you in the next clip. Okay guys, he's just gonna do some more. He said he's gonna try Burnout. Let's see. Didn't work, huh?
Won't do it.
You messed up the street. Guess who's back? You joke! You leaving me! Yeah, joke, you with me? Sorry for the shaking.
That's it for a bit. Reload and unload.
why.
Okay. Yeah, guys, see, Why you do that? Don't you dare honk at me.
Why?
I know that's your alarm. I mean, don't honk at me. If you're thinking about it, don't. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna load up his dragster. He does drag racing. Soon he's gonna get a big one for his division, right?
Yep.
Is it allowed?
What?
Is it allowed for your division?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can get any size.
No, not for juniors.
Oh.
There are certain classes, so like I'm in Division 7.
You're allowed to get a big one though?
Yeah, when I'm a 16.
Oh, so you're gonna keep it until you're 16?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's my alarm.
He killed me, guys! This dude's high. This dude's high. This dude's high. High as fudge. Fudge nuggets. Oh! Oh, sorry guys, I got cut off. Thank you guys. After we're done loading it away, we'll show you his dragster.
We're not putting the motorhome up yet, are we?
Okay guys, we're back from cleaning.
What?
We're back from cleaning.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't even really cleaning, just load up.
Yeah. Loading up. Pretty much it.
They do RC races.
Yeah, we're gonna do the RC races. Come on, mini bike me right here.
That will be in a separate vlog if he actually does record. And he might take my GoPro.
Maybe. Mom lets me.
Yep.
And I have my dad's GoPro if it works.
But the
But
quality's
it's really old.
probably
Really old.
gonna be like 344.
No, I'd say it's actually really good quality.
What's the quality?
I don't know.
720p.
Probably like 720.
Yeah, but mine's 1080. My sister's is 4K.
She's lucky.
Yeah, but 1080p looks more realistic as a phone. You know, everyone recommends 1080p.
Yeah.
But
It's
1080p
not
on
too good, not too bad.
yeah, 1080, and they think it's a phone.
Yeah.
But 1080p is like good quality on hers and terrible on mine.
Yeah. Need some help?
Good right there, huh?
Need some help?
That's good. Maybe a little further back.
You might get some footage from this track.
Yeah. Do you want this piece of wood?
That actually.
You want that water bottle too in the trash?
Yeah. Okay, stuff around.
We're gonna cut it right here. Peace. See you guys later.